This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your AirPods are actually registered to your Apple ID. This is why you keep your iPhone nearby. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, because Find My uses both to detect proximity. Open the Find My app, tap the Devices tab, and select your AirPods. This first action lets the service query the last known location and try a live connection. If the AirPods appear offline, note the timestamp shown. This tells you the last place to search next. Now focus on locating. When the map shows a pin, tap directions and follow footsteps to the last recorded spot. This gives precise navigation. If the app says nearby, select play sound. The AirPods will emit tones that grow louder as you approach, so move slowly and listen. For a single missing AirPod, remove the other from your ears and case so the noise is easier to isolate. If you get a live connection, use the map's refreshed position to home in on the exact shelf or couch cushion. Finish by assessing success. If you found them, test both buds and the case to confirm charging. If they remain offline, retrace steps from the last seen timestamp and search physical locations not covered by the map. As a last resort, reset the AirPods and repair them. Do this only if you accept losing the location history. If play sound doesn't work, enable lost mode in Find My to leave a contact message and contact Apple support for replacement advice or serial number help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.